Welcome to the 2020-2021 Participant Overview of Coverage for your life and disability insurance. Today we'll review the cost of the life and disability coverage, the benefits of your life and disability coverage along with coverage details, and customer service and web resources. As a reminder, our life and disability coverage moved to Guardian earlier this year. The cost of the life and disability coverage depends upon the line of coverage. Your basic life and accidental death and dismemberment is 100% paid for by Miller Johnson. Voluntary life coverage is voluntary and is paid for by you. Short-term disability is 100% paid for by Miller Johnson. With long-term disability, you have a choice. You can choose to have this paid for by Miller Johnson, or you can voluntarily pay your premium. Voluntary life cost is based upon your age and your benefit elected. If you choose to pay for your long-term disability, cost is based upon your wages. You will see your individual rates online when you complete your open enrollment in the self-service portal. Life and disability benefits protect you and your family's lifestyle. Disability insurance keeps money coming in if you're unable to work due to injury or illness. Life insurance helps cover final arrangement costs, helps pay off debt like mortgages, and helps loved ones manage financial needs if you die during your working years. Your basic life insurance provided by Guardian provides you 1 times your annual earnings up to $500,000. The policy also includes waiver of premium, which can allow for your coverage to continue at no cost if you become totally disabled. There are age reductions associated with the benefit. Your benefit reduces to 67% at age 70 and to 50% at age 75. There are other benefit details as well, including repatriation, seatbelt, airbag, education and coma benefits, conversion, and an accelerated benefit option, which allows you to have your life benefit paid when you are diagnosed with a terminal illness. Voluntary life is available for you to purchase for you and your family members. This is coverage in addition to the basic life policy. Employees can buy in 10,000 increments up to 500,000. The GI or guarantee issue is 200,000. You can buy for your spouse as well in $5,000 increments up to a maximum of 500,000. The GI for spouses is 50,000. Coverage for your children is available in $2,000 increments up to a maximum of $10,000. The GI for children is also $10,000. Because this is our first year with Guardian, if you wish to enroll for the first time or increase your current coverage, you have a full open enrollment right this year. This means that you can add coverage or increase your coverage up to the GI levels with no medical questions asked. Other policy details include waiver of premium, portability, conversion, and an accelerated benefit. Please keep in mind that there's also an age reduction policy on the voluntary life. Your short-term disability covers you if you are unable to work due to injury or illness. If you're an hourly employee, you're provided PTO to help cover you for the first 14 days of a disability. Your short-term disability begins to pay you after 14 days. For salaried employees who are not provided PTO, benefits begin on the first day of your disability. You're paid 100% of your basic weekly earnings for 13 weeks of disability. Other policy details include offsets, like workers' compensation, auto insurance, and Social Security disability. This means that your short-term disability benefit would be reduced if you are receiving other income benefits. There are some exclusions, including work-related injuries, for which you're covered under workers' comp, self-inflicted injuries, and when treatment is excluded under the firm's group health plan. An example of this could be cosmetic surgery. A cosmetic surgery procedure is not covered underneath the group health plan, therefore it would not be covered underneath the short-term disability benefit. Long-term disability pays you after 90 days of disability. It begins to pay you when your short-term disability is exhausted. The benefit amount for your long-term disability coverage is 100% dependent upon your wages. See the plan documents, human resources, or your online enrollment portal for specifics on your individual monthly coverage level. The benefit begins to pay you after 90 days and will generally end when you reach your Social Security normal retirement age, as long as you remain disabled. Disability means you cannot work full-time due to illness or injury, and you suffer at least a 20% loss of wages. Offsets, like the short-term disability, will reduce your long-term disability benefit by other sources, like workers' comp and Social Security. There's also a mental health limit of benefits. Benefits for mental health disabilities are limited to 24 months lifetime, unless you are confined. The long-term disability premium choice allows you to decide if you want to pay for your long-term disability out of each paycheck on a post-tax basis. For a low biweekly cost, you would be eligible for tax-free benefits if you ever become disabled and file a long-term disability claim. That means your benefit payment during a time of disability is not taxable. If you choose to have Miller Johnson pay your premium on your behalf, your benefit is taxable. Here's an example of cost. This is for an employee who makes a monthly wage of $5,400. A 60% benefit is equal to $3,240. If your benefit is taxable, your net take home for the month would equal approximately $2,430. A tax-free benefit, however, would equal $3,240. In this example, the biweekly premium is $11.71 out of your paycheck. This greatly enhances your monthly take-home benefit. It's a great idea to consider paying your post-tax premium rather than having the firm pay it, so that your benefit is tax-free if you ever needed it. For most general policy questions about life and disability, please see Miller Johnson Human Resources. For other questions or claim support, you can contact Guardian at 1-888-GUARDIAN. You can also register at Guardian for a Guardian Anytime account. You can also contact me directly if you have questions. My email is kjohnson@lighthousegroup.net and my phone number is 616-202-7003. Thank you.